The cab area in the Jeep is not the best when it comes to storage. This rugged ridge dash organizer will solve all of your storage problems and make your items easily accessible so you're not reaching all around your cab area while you're driving. This organizer is made specifically for the 2007 to 2010 JK owners. This is a no-drill install and the whole unit pops in and out whenever you need it to, making this a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and I'll get more into the install in just a moment. This is a well-built setup that Rugged Ridge designed. The mounts are made of UV-treated thermoplastic that are pretty sturdy and won't fade while they're sitting up on the front of your dash. The 2 trays are connected to a lightweight aluminum tube that you can use to slide the trays back and forth on. The 2 trays themselves are also made of the UV-treated thermoplastic, and they come with rubber mats to prevent your items from moving around and making noise or even getting damaged. You can even take the rubber mats out and use the flat, smooth surface to place a device with a suction cup attachment like a GPS or a radar detector. The larger tray is great to place and store larger items like your phone or even your sunglasses, but it's also a great mounting point for a CB radio. The tray comes with mounting holes for a CB radio, and the second tray is designed to have things clipped onto the front of it, making it a perfect place to clip your CB mic. Speaking of the second tray, it's a bit smaller, making it perfect for change and other small items. Like I mentioned, there is a section in the front of the smaller tray that's perfect for clippable items to be placed on, like a phone case or even a couple pens. What's really cool about these trays is that they have screws on the back so you can loosen them and adjust the positioning. My favorite feature about this is that it's very easily removable and you can pop it in and out whenever you like. This makes it very easy to clean the trays and underneath where they sit. Rugged Ridge thought about the placement as well. This is a very low profile mount, so it will not affect your visibility while you're driving, and it will not interfere with your factory airbags. For front dash storage solutions, this is going to be your most expensive option that we list on the site right now, coming in at about $100. All other options for front dash storage are a lot cheaper at right around $30 to $40, but you do have to keep in mind that they don't have as many options as this organizer. Most all other options are more of a permanent solution that will involve taking the top of the middle dashboard off and replacing it with the organizer, and it will not be as easily removable like this one is by Rugged Ridge. Also, other options don't include a second tray, as well as the adjustability features that this offers, and they don't include pre-drilled radio mount holes that you get here. If you had a lower budget, those are still going to be some great options for front dash storage, but if you're looking for the most convenient storage with a ton of options, this is going to be worth the money. Not to mention, this also comes in a kit with other storage solutions for the 2007 to 2010 JK for right around $200. And as always, Rugged Ridge has a 5-year limited warranty, so you can keep some peace of mind. This is a very easy install, making this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. This should only take you about 30 minutes worth of your time with a couple of basic hand tools. I would recommend taping off the vent on the dash first so none of your hardware is dropped into the vent. Then you can pop the 2 plastic caps off of the dash and assemble the 2 stands inside of the holes with the hardware provided. Then you can attach the mounts on both of the stands with the hardware. Before you install the rail on the mounts, slide on the trays and loosely tighten them with the hardware provided. After the trays are installed, you can connect them to the end cap mounts and secure them down with the hardware. After everything is attached, you can slide the large tray into the center and attach the rubber pads to the inside of the tray, and then tighten everything down when you're done positioning them. All the instructions will be included in the box, as well as instructions on how to mount a CB radio in the large tray. If you are looking for a large accessible storage solution in your 07 to 10 JK, this Rugged Ridge organizer is going to be a great choice. This is Meredith with XT, and you can find this and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.